Lost all the keys to the 17-year-old Nissan Pinnacle, and we're here now to match the 2 original keys, and we're opening the door. The door is open. Now the 2 original keys, the mechanical keys, have been carved out, and we're now using the equipment to get into the car and match the original keys. We are now using the equipment to get into the car and match the original keys. We'll use one of the keys to turn on the ignition, and we'll use the large tablet to start matching the keys, and we'll click on Anti-Theft Matching. Click on Nissan. On Press System. Ordinary key. It's a 4A chip, 20 digits. Code. Key match. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the hazard lights. Pull the key out. Turn on the emergency lights. Okay. All keys are deleted. Insert the key you need to match. Turn on the ignition. Insert the first one first. Turn it on. Turn on the meter. Okay, turn it off. Ignition on for 5 seconds. Ignition on for 5 seconds. Yes, sir. Insert the next one. Insert it and turn it on. Tap OK. Close for 5 seconds. Please insert the first key. Turn on the ignition. 5 seconds off, I'm pulling out. Okay, back. Key matching is complete. Try the original key. Okay, no problem. Try the other one. Okay, it's the remote control. Does it work? Okay, no problem. Okay, 2 original keys are matched.